Hi friends, welcome to the WizBiz Talks of Rotary District 3141. I am your host Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 for 2021. WizBiz Talks is a unique and hot from oven initiative, a brainchild of District Governor 2021 Sunil Mehra. WizBiz Talks is an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more, to make a difference to the community. Friends, today we have with us a very special person, a very close and dear friend, Rotarian Vinod Jain, a Rotarian since past 30 years, member of Rotary Club of Mumbai Royals. Vinod Jain ji practices CA, having expertise in tax consultancy and construction finance for builders. In Rotary, he has been a past district treasurer. He is expert in global grant projects, was instrumental in 750 construction and renovations of toilets during the term of past district governor Gopal Mandania. He is a man of integrity, man of principles. In Vision Year, he will be responsible for project on toilet blocks. With this small introduction, friends, I present before you a very dear friend, Rotarian Vinod Kumar Jain.
Thank you, Manish ji. Thank you so much. नमस्कार, प्रणाम to everyone.
विनोद जी, रोटरी में तो आपको बहुत मिले हैं, रोटरी में आपके साथ काम बहुत किया है, खास करके ड्यूरिंग योर पोस्ट ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट ट्रेजररशिप आई हैव माई सेल्फ सीन दैट यू आर सो प्रोएक्टिव. मुझे अब भी याद है कि मुझे आपसे हमारे क्लब के लिए कुछ चेक लेना था, तो मैं आपको फोन कर रहा था चेक देने के लिए. उसके पहले आपका फोन मुझे आ रहा है कि मनीष जी मुझे आपका चेक भेजना है, मैं कभी भेजूं. सो आई नो यू आर अ पर्सन ऑफ इंटीग्रिटी. हमको बहुत रेयरली ऐसे लोग मिलते हैं who are proactive, जो खुद ब खुद जाके काम करना चाहते हैं. That is the reason you were able to do around 750 toilet blocks, a huge global grants in that year when you were the district treasurer. So my salutations to you for the lovely work you had done. And आप ये तो समझ गए होंगे कि क्यों हमने आज आपको इस फोरम पे बुलाया है. Because you are a worker, you are a true Rotarian, you are a worker at heart. और जब आप जैसे लोगों को और लोग सुनेंगे तो उनमें भी एक एंथुसियाज्म आ जाएगा, एक मोटिवेशन आ जाएगा कि हम भी इनको देख के इनके जैसे काम कर सकते हैं. तो आज ये ध्यान में रखिएगा कि आज जो आप बात करेंगे, आपको रोटरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3141 का हर एक रोटेरियन, हर एक प्रेसिडेंट, हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिशियल सुनने वाला है. सिर्फ यहीं पे नहीं, आपके आजू बाजू के डिस्ट्रिक्ट के ऑफिशियल्स भी आपको सुनने वाले हैं, नॉन रोटेरियंस भी आपको सुनने वाले हैं, ये आपका सोशल मीडिया पे भी जाने वाला है. सो we are privileged to have a celebrity like you on our talk show, the WizBiz Talks. तो विनोद जी, अगर आपका कंसेंट होगा तो मैं शुरू करूं.
Thank you so much. Please go ahead. I am really blessed with your kind words.
So Vinod ji, we know a lot about you on your on Rotary front, but हम आपके बारे में पर्सनल लेवल पे कुछ जानना चाहते हैं.
Personally, I am married to Manju Jain, having 2 sons. One of the unique things which I enjoy is I believe in family as expansion. Not only my family, my father's 5 brothers, 5 sisters, their family, my in-laws family, my maternal uncle family, and every year we organize a family meet of 3 days, wherein we discuss something about a topic, about a book. Our children give lectures, etc., like a seminar or like a conference for 3 days together. That's the uniqueness of our family, and I really am blessed to have such kind of family, wherein everyone is so bonded, so loved, that every year we meet in Lonavala together, stay 3 days together, enjoy the relationship at a much larger platform.
Oh, this is fantastic. I have not heard this for ages. And अगर सारी की सारी family और extended family goes together, that means you are a pure family man. Family man means a man of values, a man of ethics, and man of love. So this is so nice. I am so pleased to hear this from your mouth. So विनोद जी, ये हो गया आपके फैमिली के बारे में, आपके पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में. आपके वर्क लाइफ के बारे में कुछ बताइए. We know you are a chartered accountant, but what is your specialization in work? how do you see work going from here onwards in the coming few years?
So I started my career in 1984 with expertise in tax. So slowly, gradually, we kept on increasing our field of practicing. I'm also part of Western India Regional Council (ICI) as a co-opted member. Bombay Chartered Accountant Society is one of the committee members, and Chamber of Tax Consultant. So my area interest was more into tax, but slowly, gradually, we started supporting people who were in construction finance. And one unique thing about my profession is that we have to learn every day. Even now, in last couple of years, like last 7-8 years, I have done 5 courses with Jamnalal Bajaj, with IIM Ahmedabad, and all that in learning and all that. So uniqueness is that keep on learning, keep on practicing, and with keeping Rotary principles in mind, the 4-way test, whenever in practice, though for a chartered accountant difficult, but we keep on doing that.
That's amazing. That's lovely, and we got an insight about your work and how CAs work and how you're always supposed to keep updating yourself. And it's good to know that yes, when we update ourselves, we are able to serve our clients better, and we have the utmost knowledge to take our work also to new heights. This is really nice. Also, you would be having people working under you, and they would also be looking at you for guidance on recent updates. So this would be helping you there also, I feel, definitely, right?
Yes, very much. Training the people who are working like articles, trainees, staff. So upgrading them, training them every now and then. And so many people who left our office, who has done CA from us, even being in touch with them. So training them also at the CA Institute level, giving lectures. Like yesterday only, one of the book Vivad Se Viswas, published by WIRC. I was an examiner. I edited the entire book and I wrote the preface for that. So motivating our children, giving them proper guidance how they should grow in life, not only having degree of CA, but being a good human being, a person who goes from here, how he can serve to the society, not only having CA degree, but also being a very powerful human being. That's what Rotary teaches us. And supporting each and every person, and not only those people who are at technical level, CA, etc. Even our peons, our drivers, even they are being given with the values of human beings. So when they meet some of our clients, anybody who comes across, they deal with them with a lot of human approach, how they can deal with dignity, divinity, with service in mind.
Fantastic. विनोद जी, ये हो गया आपके काम के बारे में. But now comes to the main part, and that is Rotary. And you have been instrumental in getting 750 toilet block constructions and renovations done in 1 year through the Global Grant project. Now this year you are the district project director for construction of toilet blocks. Am I right?
Yes.
So what are your plans for this year, and will COVID halt your plans, or you will still go with all that full power and zeal despite COVID?
So this year, when we constructed 750, we constructed for schools, we constructed for railways, we constructed for slums, we constructed for villages. There are so many projects there. Right now in this year, the specific area allotted is for community toilets and for public toilets, where like in railways and near bus stands and near markets. So we are looking into the floating people. So now, see, it is much more important. Like if you have seen in US that after COVID, people are facing a lot of problem for these facilities, and now they are realizing importance of constructing toilets, etc. They are appreciating Modi's steps taken earlier. So what we are going to do is we will construct public toilets wherein floating public will come, like those who are commuting through railways, through bus, or going for some business purpose or for some markets, etc. So we are looking for certain places, like in Bombay, at Andheri, this highway near Jogeshwari. You will find some places where the buses stops. So people who come in the morning, who come only for a day in Bombay for some particular work, they need some places to go for having a proper kind of facility of having toilets, etc. So something like that. Or some like in Kandivali is already constructed where some buses stops. So maybe such type of places we are looking at. In addition to that, we are finding some more places where we can have this, like in Tarapur, near market, we will be having such place. We also have some community places like slums, like in Malad, Malvani, in JVLR, slums where the people, though we call that we have ODF systems, we have got all the facilities, but still so much to do, so many facilities needed by the people. So what we are looking at, the slums area where the community will need, will construct those toilet blocks. The important thing that in case of communities, we'll also provide them washing facility for bath facilities so that ladies need not have that kind of embarrassment or have comforts of washing their clothes, etc. So we are looking for those kind of facilities also. So now in COVID, the situation improve, requirement is increasing because you cannot go on the road, or you need to have got more hygienic, more better place with more amenities, ladies, etc., much more safer places. So our responsibility increases. Maybe what you are saying, COVID will not allow us to do the work, but as it is during monsoon, we don't work. Construction of toilets, etc., is not possible. So next 3-4 months will be available to us to plan, to create all the platform approvals, designing, drawing, arrangement of funds. Approval is one of the very crucial and important place. So we'll find out needs, we'll find out approvals, we'll find out plans, and then we'll see sustainability of that. So all this homework we will do for next 3-4 months because of monsoon period, etc. And as you know, we are all expecting that this COVID issue will get slowly and slowly lower and lower, or will be more comfortable with the situation. So somewhere in the month of January, February, we'll be able to execute our plans, which we are doing right now. So we are very comfortable, we are very confident that we will be able to, because the need is more. With this COVID, the situation requires more, and it becomes more responsibility. The challenges always motivates us to provide more service to the needs of the people. The need has increased, challenges has increased, and that motivates us to produce results. And we will definitely, with our team, such a large and beautiful team, so much committed and dedicated people in our team, and they have so much ideas, they got so much contacts and so much plans that will be able to perform so beautiful. And I'm really thankful to our leader Sunilji, who is there always with us. And also we are fortunate that Bansiji, who is also heading for 2-3 states, 2-3 districts for this particular thing of. So he will be there guiding us every now and then. We will be. He's our leader. We will have handhold support from him for all these things. So with leaders with us, with a lot many teammates with us, I don't see why we will not be able to produce wonderful results of the needs which is there in the society to provide them.
Thank you so much, Vinodji. You have very clear ideas about the project, your goals, you've set goals right, and I think so you've got a very supportive team and a very supportive leader ahead. So I'm sure things are going to go great. All my best wishes are with you, and needless to say that I'm at your beck and call. Anything required from my end, just a phone call away. Just give a call, and I'm sure the thing will be done. And on that, I would also like to thank you for your presence here today on the WizBiz Talks. I'm thrilled to have you here. And as I had expected, you have been a source of motivation to many. There'll be many phone calls coming for people who would like to get associated with you. And we will definitely direct them to you. And thank you once again for all your efforts in being with us today, and also for doing your projects in the Vision Year. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.